Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a zombie Mario. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with zombie Mario, let's begin with the nose. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to begin by making an oval shape for his nose. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and down here. And then we'll do another one here. We're just going to go up and down for his big oval eyes. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go out and in for like some little bags under his eyes. Right here, we're going to make a little line that curves in and a little line that curves out for the mustache. Then we're just going to go down and up, down and up, down and up, down and up, and then down and up for his mustache. Next, starting here, we're just going to go down and up for the mouth. And then we'll make a little curve for the tongue. Then I'm going to draw a little wavy line to make it look like he's drooling. Then I'm going to draw a little curved line that just comes up here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes up on each side. Then I'm going to draw a line that comes out and then down. We'll just connect it. So we're just going to go out, kind of bring it down and in, and then connect. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that comes across to start where the hat's going to be. Then I'll draw a line that comes out. It's going to come around and then in. I'm going to curve a line down on each side for the hair. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve around for an ear. And then I'm going to curve this one around, but I'm going to make a couple little bumps out of it so it looks like there's a bite taken out of it. Then we'll curve up and out, curve up and then out. Then right here I'm going to curve this line down and up, and then this one down and up to a point for some eyebrows. We just kind of color those in real quick just so we can kind of see where they are. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up. And then I'm going to go down and make some big bumps like this. Then I'm going to bring this down and then in. Now right inside of here, I'm going to make some little bumps so it looks like his brain is sticking out. And then we'll add some little kind of curly cues in there. I'm going to make a big circle shape like this. And then we'll make two lines that go up. Then connect them. And then that's about all we'll do. That'll just make it kind of look like part of the M from his hat is missing. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down. And I'm going to make a couple little points and then bring it up. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to curve around and up for one of his suspenders. Then let's go ahead and put an oval shape in there. Then over here, I'm going to bring a line down, but then I'm going to make a little zigzag line across so it looks like the suspender was broken. Then I'm going to make a little curved line here with some zigzag lines and a little circle for the button. We'll make a line across, a couple little bumps, and then connect it. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side. See, it kind of comes out a little bit too. Then I'm going to bring this line up on each side, kind of goes out at an angle. Then I'm going to bring this down. Next, we're going to go in, or kind of down, and then back in. Same thing here, we're just going to go down, and then back in towards the suspenders. And we can draw a line right there. I'm going to put a skinny oval shape at the end of each one of these for his gloves. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up. It's going to go down and up. Same thing here, we're going to go up. It's going to go down and up. We'll make one here that's going to go up and curve around. Same thing here, we're going to go up and curve around. I'll bring this down on each side. Then I'll make another line that's going to go out. It's going to curve around. Same thing, we're just going to curve this around. Then I'll bring it down on each side. Then we'll make another one that's just going to curve around. And then we'll just bring it in for his zombie fingers. And then we'll just connect it here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down. And it's going to curve back up here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down on each side to start his legs. Right here, I'm going to put a little kind of pointed line around. And then I'm going to go down a little bit. This line will just bring down. I'm going to bring this line over. We'll bring this one over. We'll put a couple little zigzags in it. Then I'm going to draw this line up, and I'll draw this line over and up. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up and down. I'm going to bring this over and then up for his boot. And then I'll draw another line right here. And I'll make a little line right there. Now over here, I'm going to make it look like he's missing his shoe or his boot. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. I'm going to go over. And I'm going to make a point for a toe. Another little curve, and then one more. Then we're going to curve this down, over, and then go up. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come over. We're going to go down, over, and then up for his little pocket. Now we've got our drawing of Mario. We just want to come in here and add some fun little details on here. So one of the things you can do is you can add some little hashtag marks just to make it look like it's really dirty. So I might do a few of those on some different parts of them. I'm going to draw this little line here to connect. I'm going to make a couple little bumpy lines like this on some different spots just to make it look like, you know, maybe parts of the clothes are missing or parts of the skin is missing. I'm going to draw a line here with some couple little lines going across. It looks like some stitches. Might do one of those on the face too. Make another little kind of pointed zigzag line here. And then over here, I'm just going to add like a little fun mushroom. So I'm just going to draw a little line that goes up and down like this. Make a line that goes down and over. We'll just connect it here. I'll make a line that's going to come up and down. Draw a big circle here. A circle here, half a one, and then a half circle here. I'm going to make an oval for the eyes. And then I'm going to make those little bags underneath the eyes as well. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and then over and then up. We'll put a little drool coming out of the mouth too. And then we'll draw a little curved line so it kind of looks like a worm is coming out of the head. And there you go. There is your drawing of a zombie Mario. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.